Huncilman is sheet metal fabrication. So we do laser cutting, forming, welding, produce componentry for a lot of OEM manufacturers. We specifically bought this Cobot to take on one product line. What it's building right now is the front end of a ride-on aerator frame. What we were trying to do is eliminate several different processes and movement of the parts throughout the facility. So we were able to basically take 3 operations and put it into one cell with the Cobot.
Before we had the robot, it was just one guy was doing almost everything, and he might have got off 5 in one day. The lead welder actually came up with that idea to try to figure out how can we be more productive where one man's not getting the heavy boat of the load. At the end of the day, he's all over worn out, where let's try to split this job up and make it more convenient. And this makes a heck of a difference. I don't go home, I ain't exhausted and tired.
Where we saw the improvement was material handling, more so than it was the actual welding output. Once we put it into process, we were about 2 units to 3 units ahead of what we were on the hourly output. One of the big benefits that we found with the Cobot is repeatability. You have the quality output as well as the efficiency output. So you're not seeing as many missed welds. We don't have to spend so much time inspecting on the other end of things. So
I've been doing it for almost 2.5 years, 3 years now with the robot. I kind of know it inside out. When you got to program your welds, like I said, your temperature, your speed, all that makes a difference. When you go to set up any new project, it always tells you, you want to set in this CV or this temperature or whatever I had in a 1/2 inch. It's got that save. That's what I like about it. It saves a lot of information.
I was the one that actually physically went and started laying the first welds with the machine. The good thing about Hirebotics was they were really customer driven from the standpoint of come here, use the machine, feel it out for yourself. And that spoke volumes to me. Early on, we had to do a little bit of troubleshooting, but we did the majority of that through the app. I think there was one phone call that was made, but whatever issue we had was solved very quickly.
Yeah, I mean, I wish we had it a little earlier, but yeah, overall, I love it. I don't mind it. I come in, I like what I do.
I would say to somebody that's interested in a Cobot is look at the product and see how repeatable your fixturing can be. If you can make it repeatable, these machines will perform.